Hello all, in this lecture video we are going to see the continuation of e-business management, global economy, traditional and digital business. Now we are going to see about types of e-business models. What are the e-business models? First, business to consumer, which is called as B2C. In business to customer, in this model, business sell product or services directly to individual consumer through digital platform, which means business to consumer directly business will reach to the customer is known as B2C, business to consumer. Characteristics of business to consumer is focus on customer experience and satisfaction. Because it is a direct interaction between business and customer, there must be customer experience and satisfaction, and customer experience and customer satisfaction is taken to as important note. The next thing is includes online retail, digital goods and subscription services, which means online retail and digital goods and subscription services also good in business to consumer in the case. Example, Amazon, e-business, e-commerce, Netflix, streaming, and Zara, fashion retail online. These are the examples of business to consumer reach outs. These are the e-business model, which all are e-business models only. The next thing is business to business. What is meant by business to business in the case? Business sell product or services to other businesses. This model often involves bulk transaction or recurring contracts, which means business sell product or services to other business. For characteristics of business to business in the case, longer sales cycle and a relationship with value added services, which means Alibaba B2B e-commerce, Salesforce CRM software, and Dropbox cloud storage. These are the examples of platform which business to business transaction takes places. The next thing is consumer to consumer. Consumer buy and sell goods or services directly to each other, usually facilitated by third party platform, which means consumer to consumer in the case of for example in Instagram, one consumer is sells goods and services directly to another consumer. So in this case we called it as consumer to consumer business. So characteristics of consumer to consumer business is peer-to-peer transaction. Platform acts as intermediaries, providing a trust mechanism like rating and reviews takes places. So consumer to consumer is also one of the e-business platform which is running successfully in the at present. The next thing is consumer to business, where consumer to business takes place. In the case of consumer offers product or service to business, flipping the traditional business consumer relationship. Characteristics of consumer to business C2B is common in freelancing and influencer marketing. Platform acts as a marketplace for talent or content, which means common freelancing and influencer marketing. What is influencer marketing takes place in consumer to business, which means one consumer itself influencing, and influencing market takes place only in consumer to business platform. So the next thing is business to government, B2G. What is meant by B2G in this sense? Business provides products and services or a solution to government entitled to digital platform, which means any type of business that gives government some solution. So it is called as business to government platform. Characteristics of B2G is often involves tender, contract or projects and requires regulation frameworks. Example, companies providing IT infrastructures to government or online tax platforms like TurboTax, which means companies providing IT infrastructure to government, which means they are providing IT infrastructure to government, or online tax platform like TurboTax. TurboTax is one of the online platform which is helpful for government also. So these are the types of e-business models. B2B, C2C, C2B, and B2G, etc. Thank you.